All right, so just wanted to do a little video, and the point of it is to keep your cool, keep your composure when you are setting up and tearing down your craft show booth. And the reason why I say that is because there was a little incident over the last weekend of the craft show that I did. My neighbor next to me, the husband showed up and was trying to unload some of the setup stuff for the wife's booth, and where he was parked, it was a no loading unloading zone. So the show coordinator came over and said, "Hey, you can't park there." Well, he gets upset. The husband gets upset and says, "Well, I got to unload all this stuff." And he's like, "Well, you can't park there." They go back and forth, and next thing you know, there's a shouting match. Some words were said that were inappropriate, and basically the guy unloaded the stuff, left, and made it awkward for the wife for the rest of the show because she had to sit there with the show coordinator like a couple of booths down from where she was. And then when he made his rounds and everything like that, it was really, needless to say, it was really awkward. So the point of the video is make sure you're keeping your composure and keeping your cool when you're setting up and tearing down your craft show booth. Everybody is trying to set up as quickly as possible. They're trying to unload. They're trying to tear down as quickly as possible. So it is a stressful time. And once you do it 100 times, it seems like you get a system down, you get a way to pack up your stuff, you get a way to unpack your stuff, and you get systems in place to make it a lot easier. But don't lose your composure over something simple like that. It's really just stay cool, and that is it. Thanks for watching.